I got my brand new grill that I just bought. Got the Americana. The basic charcoal grill. So what you want to first do, make sure you got your vents open. So I'm gonna open that all the way up. We'll come down here and we're gonna make sure those is open down there so you get that airflow in. And I got my basic Kingsford charcoal. You don't need all the fancy stuff. Just do the original Kingsford. Don't do all the match light and all that extra stuff that's soaked with the lighter fluid. You really don't need lighter fluid. You just need your original Kingsford. Open this bad boy up right here. You need a hot side and then you need a cool side. So I'm gonna keep all my charcoal. I'm gonna keep my charcoal right here on this side. So when I want to sear my brats and my hot dogs, I'm gonna use this side, and then I put them on this side to keep them cool and just let them bake. Because once you close this, then it just bakes. All right, so we're gonna get started. But you see the fire and the coals are still black, right? So you want to just get those a minute, let them roll for about 20 minutes until they get to that gray color. A nice gray color. You see that orange in there? This fire is hot and it's ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and slap our grate right on the grill. So what I'm doing right now is making sure that my grill has rolled with the top closed for about 5 to 10 minutes. I got all my vents open on it to make sure that that airflow is going in and then it's coming out up here and everything is heating up. My charcoal is nice and gray. I got a hot side, I got a cool side. So we're gonna go ahead and slap some hot dogs on here. It's time to start grilling. All right, see, what my wife likes to do is go ahead and boil the brats in some water and onion and make sure they're done on the inside and go ahead and get them prepared for the grill.
Cook them just long enough, not to where they dry out on the inside, to where they're cooked just enough to finish off on the grill. This way, they're gonna be nice and juicy when you take them off. You're gonna get that good char, that good onion flavor.
All right, I'm checking our brats. I can smell them. Perfect.